Hello everyone, I am Tejasvi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about climate change. People are calling it the crisis of our time, and it is. Climate change. That word is everywhere at the moment. So, what exactly is climate change? Is it same as global warming or another word that gets thrown about so very often? Well, the two are often used interchangeably, but remember they are not the same. Climate change refers to long term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. Such shifts can be natural due to changes in the sun's activity or large volcanic eruptions. But since 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. This generates greenhouse gas emission that act like a blanket wrapped around the earth, trapping the sun's heat and rising temperature. The main greenhouse gases that are causing climate change include carbon dioxide and methane. Causes for climate change: deforestation, destruction of marine ecosystem, greenhouse effect, population increase. Climate change encompasses global warming but refers to the broader range of changes that are happening to our planet. These include rising sea levels, shrinking mountain glaciers, accelerating ice melt in Greenland, Antarctica, and the Arctic, and shifts in flower or plant blooming time. IPCC. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is the United Nations body for assessing the science related to climate. UNFCCC, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, established on International Environmental Treaty to combat dangerous human interference with the climate change, in part by stabilizing greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere. COP, Conference of the Parties. The COP is the supreme decision making body of the convention. All states that are parties to the convention are represented at the COP, at which they review the implementation of the convention and any other legal instruments that the COP adopts and take decisions necessary to promote the effective implementation of the convention, including institutional and administrative arrangement. The COP meets every year. Till now, 27 COPs have been taken place. NDC, Nationally Determined Contribution. Prime Minister of India termed the scheme as Panchamrita, meaning the five ambrosia. This includes these five promises. So now let's see what we can contribute to this climate change. Walk or ride bicycle as far as possible, taking public transport, shifting to electric vehicles, investing in solar powered equipments, using BEE star rated appliances, planting native species, using renewable resources, reducing the use of fossil fuels. Lastly, I would like to take a promise that I will help to conserve, preserve, and take care of my environment, and I will use less plastic. This is the time for you to take a promise in order to save our Mother Earth. Thank you, everyone.